This video is to demonstrate my working version of the Space Invaders game. When I press the reset button, the intro screen comes up. And as you can see, the lights are switching from red to yellow evenly, and that's what they do for the intro screen. To start the game, you push the red button. To move your icon player, you move the slider. The slider is a potentiometer, and we use an analog to digital converter to implement that. And to fire a missile, you push the red button. And here's what it looks like when you get hit by an alien laser. You go to a game over screen, the lights are blinking steadily, and you see your score. Then you press the red button to start over. The black button is a special fire button that fires 3 missiles. Now we are going to be going on to level 2, and we will find a more challenging 2 rows of aliens. And once the aliens move down the screen far enough, then another alien will fly across the top of the screen. And he's worth a lot of points, so it's a good strategy to try to hit him with a missile. But you can't kill everyone yet, otherwise you win. So kill most of them and then wait for that guy to show up. So let's fire a missile that hopefully the new alien will collide with. There we go. And then we'll go kill off our last guy, and we will be done with our level 2. So now we're going to be moving on to level 3. Push our red button to move on to level 3. And now we have 3 rows of aliens. Now if you watch the lights up top, you will see that the red light lights up when you fire a missile. And when an alien gets killed, then the lights will flicker quickly for a moment. And you also hear a sound at both of those moments as well. So there's actually a random number generator that demonstrates or that determines which alien will launch the laser. And there's also a random number that determines the time between the laser launches. Now we've won level 3, we're all done. So now we're starting over back at level 1. Now let's see what happens when a bunker gets hit by an alien laser. When it gets hit by one alien laser, the first one as you see here, then the bunker is damaged but it's still functional. A second alien laser causes more damage, but then it is the third laser that causes the bunker to stop working and it disappears from the screen. Another way to die is when the alien gets too low on the screen. Then you'll get a game over. So let's watch what happens when this guy gets too low, and then we'll see the game over screen pop up. Up here we have a digital to analog converter that allows us to hear sound. There are 4 signals that come from the controller, and those 4 signals represent distinct levels on a particular sound wave. That signal goes to the speaker or to the headphone jack, and there is a sound when the missile is launched and then when an alien gets killed. My sound is working just fine, but it's too faint to get onto the video. Well, that was my project, and I've really enjoyed doing it, and I hope to be doing more in the future.